I got this little motor. It's a treadmill motor, and it says it's 2.5 horsepower, 130 volt, but continuous use I don't see on it. But I had one of these on my old mill, the one I was working on there, and it worked great. So I want to put one of these on there. So let's go out to the shop, show you what we're doing. Okay folks, this is what we're doing. We got it chucked up, and we got to take 3 millimeters off there. I need it down to 10 millimeters. We got to take a little more than 3 actually, but anyway. We're sitting at, I've got one hand here. We're sitting at 13 now, 13.2. So that's what we're doing. So I can't bring you in here too good because I got kind of no way to hold me in my hand. We're just taking light cuts on it. And this this lathe will take way heavier cuts than that. But I'm trying to not knock it out of center in any way. That's the whole goal here, you know? Kind of just taking her easy. Easy as we can, anyway. I'm just turning it back down to the bearing face. That's all under the cover anyway, so no reason to go any further than that. Alright. We'll bring you back. Alright. Let's try this cut. We're at 11.7. I don't like working in millimeters, though, but that's what we got, so that's what we're doing. Okay, let's measure again, best we can. One hand here. Still says 11.3. Yeah, 11.4. So let's keep going. Dial some more in. Sorry about the shaky cam. I'm holding it in my hand. I know, you can't see nothing, can you? take a back cut. Clean it up a little bit. Okay. Let's see where we're at now. That's a little cleaner. We'll have to get her close and then use some emery on it. Let's see if we can get this caliper zeroed out. It says it's at 10.5 there, 10.4. So we're stupid close right there. Let's just take a little light cut. I mean light. I've been feeling really bad, guys. That's why I haven't been putting out any videos like of any of this. I've been feeling bad. I gotta go to the dock tomorrow. I hope they do something for me, but well, we'll find out. Okay, spring pass. The weather here has just been really back and forth. We've had a lot of... I gotta take that thread off there too. For sure. Wonder if I can get that accomplished. I don't need the thread at all. In fact, we're going to have to either cut it off or mill it off. Machine it off. Let's just see what we can do. We're going to have to cut the shaft anyway. It's too long. Okay, well that ought to do it, I think. We got that thread machined off there pretty close. So let's see where we're sitting on the size. I'll just have it held in there very lightly, so we can't go fast or anything. What do we got? 10.2. Alright. That's what 10.3, 10.4, 10.3. Okay. I think we're going to take another little tiny pass. And then that ought to do it, I think. Yeah, this motor shaft has to be right. I figured this is the best way to get it perfect, around. Square and concentric, so that's why we got a lathe. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Oh wow, that is 10.2, 10.2, 10.3. I'm going to use some emery on that and we'll bring you back, because I can't use that with the camera here, so hang on. Okay, here we go, folks. This caliper is not great. Let's see what we got here. We're at let's see what we got. Ouch. Sorry, I'm all out of whack here. Not been feeling good. We're at 9.8. 9.89. I'm upside down. And that's going to work perfect. Alright, so now what we have to do is put it back together, measure the shaft, cut it off, and we're golden. Alright folks, that's the adventure for today. We got that cut down. That bearing seems to be alright. I'm going to probably pop the seal out of it and grease it on both sides, and yeah. But we got it. Alright. Thanks for joining me, folks, for the short video. Take care of yourselves. Love you all. Bye-bye. Hey, incidentally, we may have a redraw. On the Super Clean vid. Giving the guy 7 days, which is fair, a week, to get a hold of me, and he hasn't yet, so we'll let you know, and there might be another chance for y'all to win. You could win the Super Clean vid, or giveaway. That stuff is good, and I know you guys got some degreasing jobs to do this summer, so hey, love you all. Thumbs up. Bye-bye. Alright folks, we got her back together. We got the plate back on the bearing, front bearing cap. Sorry guys, I'm not feeling good. We got the rear bearing cap on there. Gonna leave this spindle sticking out the back, not hurting a thing. Got this turned down to 10mm, and she spins free and no rubbing. Nice, nice, and nice. I'm gonna go ahead and replace the brushes while I'm in here. Those are really cheap, so we're going to do so. But hey, we got her. Betcha, betcha. So this is going to be going on that little milling machine. Because it has a 3/4 horsepower motor on it. And this says 2.5, but continuous duty, and right there it says 2.5. It says external fan, which it doesn't have one. Anyway, we'll have to figure that out later. I think that's what used to be back here. I have several more of those, and we'll do something. But it should say, like, it says clockwise rotation right there. Enclosure open. Okay, external fan, 120 volts AC max. And that's for the thermal switch. I'm not using that. I've never had one of these overheat on me. It's funny that it was a metric size on the shaft, because it says made for, well, that's maybe right there, some health in Utah. But it's an older motor. There's the date, so it's older. But anyway, we got it. I don't know what the continuous duty is. It doesn't even mention continuous duty on this motor. It just says 1.5 horsepower, 130 volt. All right. Either way, I just know it's the same motor I used on my other mill, and oh man, I worked that hard. So we got a 10mm shaft now for our pulley conversion, and we can whack that off whatever length we need and put a keyway in it. Alright, there we go, folks. Thanks for joining me. Love y'all. Thumbs up. Bye-bye.